Welcome to Posture Projects. I'm Dr. Will Iwanek here, River Valley Chiropractic. We've been getting numerous patients coming in here with neck tightness, tension, causing headaches. And tension headaches are the #1 type of headache out there as far as headache categories. So as we can see here on this particular diagram, you can see the SCM muscle right in through here causing issues. You can see kind of the gray areas here that can cause pain due to tightness here in the SCM muscle. You see these gray areas here. Also here in the occipital muscles right here, this occipital back in the base of the skull, where the neck meets the base of the skull, you can kind of see these gray areas outlined where some of the problems from here can cause as far as headaches go. So I'm going to show you a quick I'll be showing you a quick thing that you can do at home, a simple tool to use at home that you can help, that'll help alleviate. Obviously, if you've seen in our other videos, some of the stretches for the levator scapula muscle, as well as the stretch for the SCM muscle, that'll help relieve some of the tension in the head, tension in the neck. But also I'll be showing you a tool that you can use. It's called a foam roll to help basically do like a self-massage on your neck to help alleviate those headaches. So this is a foam roll. This one is about 36 inches high, about a yard long, and about 6 inches in diameter. There are ones that are 4 inches in diameter, which also help too. You can get these at Walmart. You can get these at Sports Authority. If you're a member of a gym, usually gyms have these around. A lot of people don't know how to use them. So anyway, I'm just going to show you a quick little thing that you can do at home with the use of this simple tool to help do a self-massage on that neck to help alleviate some of those headaches you may be having. So you just get down on the floor here. You have the foam roll in this particular position, just like this. And you're basically going to kind of use it as a neck pillow. So you're going to come down just like this on the foam roll, using it kind of as a neck pillow. You can do this in your living room. Obviously, if you're a member of a gym, you can do it at the gym, but ideally you kind of want to situate it kind of right here at your neck and basically using it kind of like as a neck pillow. And using your hands here, you can kind of move the foam roll up against the occipital part of your head right here, those tight muscles that we were talking about on the chart before, these occipital muscles, and you just kind of hang out and search around for the tight spots. You can even roll your body to one side, add a little bit of pressure this way, and hang out right here, camp out right there on these particular muscle groups. And find that tightness in there. With this particular tool, for instance, you could do the big thing that the big technique that you're able to use with this particular tool is called cross friction. So basically, you're taking your head and rolling it from side to side, doing a cross friction type of massage on that neck of yours. Like right here on me, this is my tight spot right here. This is where I find the most tenderness in this particular position. You're just going to have to find a position for you that elicits the most sensitivity in your neck. And once you find that area that is the most sensitive, that's where you're going to kind of hang out in, like right there for me too. That's a nice spot for me too. So I would suggest use about 3 to 5 minutes hanging out in that spot. You can just sit there statically and not move. I like to kind of move around a little bit, get that cross friction type of sensation in your neck. See right here, that's a really good spot for me right there. Today my suboccipitals aren't very tight. So as I roll around on my suboccipital muscles in here, I don't really find a whole lot of sensitivity. But right here in that these splenius muscles, these strap muscles here in the back of my neck, right there. Oh, that's a good one right there. So this is kind of where I'm going to be hanging out in for about 3 to 5 minutes for that spot. And then I also have another one over here. Again, 3 to 5 minutes. Now these are the muscles in the back of my head that are having a problem. But if you have issues in your SCM muscles, if you look at our other video about the SCM muscle, that's the muscle here in the front As you can kind of see here, it attaches to my collarbone and my sternum, and it goes all the way up right here into the mastoid process, right behind my ear. A great way to get that, you actually have to go all the way on your side here. Kind of tucking your arm in just like that. You have to go all the way onto your side, and actually that's pretty sensitive on me here. And remember, I'm not holding up my neck or anything like that, because that causes tension in the neck too. Basically, you're just resting your head and your neck, using the weight of your head, onto the foam roll. Right there. And I can even move this up a little bit to get to where that SCM muscle, you can kind of see that there, attaches to the base of the mastoid process right there. And again, I like to do the cross friction on me. That's a sensitive spot. So if you're suffering from tension headaches, this is a great tool to use. It's a simple tool to use. They range in price from $15 to $25, so you're gonna have to kind of shop around to see what price range works best for you. But this is a 6-inch one. I like the 6-inch one. It works a lot better for me. There's a 4-inch diameter one, which is a little bit thinner. But for neck issues and stuff like that, to be able to clear that shoulder, I usually recommend the 6-inch version. So if you have any questions, comments, please comment below. If you have any questions about some of these things that we're doing here on Posture Projects, let us know. And if you have any other conditions or anything like that that you have questions with, just comment below and we'll be happy to address them for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.